Tired of spending hours on your resume just to get 0 callbacks? Hey job seekers, let's get real for a second. How many times have you rewritten your resume 10 times and still got ghosted? Wasted hours fixing margins in Word? Felt embarrassed hitting send because your resume looks like it's from 1998? You're not alone. The average resume gets 7 seconds of attention. 7 seconds. And if it's not perfect, straight to the trash. But what if I told you there's a free tool that builds a jaw-dropping ATS-friendly resume in 30 seconds? Let's fix this mess right now. Here's why your resume isn't working. It's a robot repellent. 75% of resumes get rejected by ATS bots because of bad formatting. But guess what? You don't need to be a designer or a tech genius to fix this. Let's talk about ResuMaker.tech, your secret weapon. Here's how you go from 0 to hero. Go to ResuMaker.tech. No email, no password. Choose your resume template. Modern, classic, creative. They've got templates for CEOs, coders, nurses, everyone. Here I'm choosing the software engineer template here. Fill the details here. Like in the personal information, you have to fill full name, job title, summary, email, phone number, address, LinkedIn profile, and any website if you have. Now, in the experience column, you have to fill position company, joining date, leaving date, description, and so on. If you have multiple experiences, then click here to add more and do this. Now it's time to fill education column. And inside this box, you have to fill the institution, name, degree, field of study, admission date, and competition date. Also add short description if you want to add, and like this, you can add more education qualification using ADD education button. Now it's time to fill the skill column. Inside this column, we have to fill skill name proficiency level, like this. You can add multiple skills. All right, we completed everything. Now we had to download means export this resume for uploading inside our portfolio. So for that, we have to click on Export PDF and export it .5. Download and dominate. Boom, done in 30 seconds. This isn't just a resume, it's a marketing weapon. And you just built it in less time than it takes to microwave popcorn. Applied to 20+ jobs with my old resume. Click. Then I tried ResuMaker. 6 interviews in 2 weeks. And you can also do same. You can start your new job this week. 94% of users get more interviews. I know what you're thinking. What's the catch? A surprise, there isn't. No hidden fees, no premium upsells. They even let you download PDFs for free. Why? Because they're disrupting the resume industry, baby. No sign up, no credit card, no ADs, just free. And no, this isn't a sponsored segment. I'm just obsessed with saving you time. Imagine waking up to emails that say, "We want to interview you." Finally dreading your 9 to 5 because you're about to upgrade your life. Feeling confident knowing your resume is sharper than everyone else's. This isn't luck, it's strategy. And it starts with ResuMaker.tech.